friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite comfort food, the mushroom soup. It is a very simple and healthy recipe and can be made with easily available ingredients. So let's begin. Add 1.5 tablespoons of butter into a stock pot. Once the butter has completely melted, add 4 cloves of garlic which has been finely chopped. Saute it until it is cooked through. Now add 4 large shallots which I have chopped roughly. Fry the shallots until they are translucent. Once it is translucent, add 225 grams of washed, chopped mushrooms. Here I have used button mushrooms. The mushrooms can be roughly chopped as it is going to be pureed at the end. Now I am going to add some flavor to the mushrooms. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix it well and saute the mushroom till they are cooked through. I'm going to keep aside around 2 tablespoons of the mushroom mixture for garnishing. To this, add 2 cups of vegetable stock. You can also use chicken stock if you prefer. The stock which I have used is quite salty, so I'm not going to add any more salt to it. Adjust the salt and pepper to your taste. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and let the mixture cool down. Once the mixture has cooled, pour it into your blender and puree it completely. Make sure the soup is completely cooled before blending it. Return the soup to the pot and bring it to a light boil. Once it just starts boiling, add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and bring it to a light simmer. The soup is ready. Take it off the heat. Garnish it with the reserved mushroom mix and cream. Enjoy your delicious soup. Until next time, happy cooking.